What's up, you guys? It's your girl Indesha, and I'm here today with a new video surrounding my business, truthsny.com. Make sure you go check that out, and also subscribe, like, share, comment. This is kind of slightly different from my previous videos, but it's something that I want to incorporate more on my channel because it's a new venture for me and I'm excited about it, and I want to share it with you guys. And I personally love these kind of videos. I used to watch them when I knew I had an idea. I used to go on YouTube and be like, all right, how do people do this? What are people doing? That's something that I would do, honestly. Not copying or following, but just as far as information, when I was about to start a business, how do you start a business? I just love those kind of business oriented videos, especially by these young women out here doing their thing. So anyways, this video is essentially to show you guys some of my new items. I realized that I have a bunch of new gold earrings that I'm going to be posting as well, and these actually sold out on my site. They were the double D hoops, and I got some more, so we're going to be updating the site very soon. And I also have some more gold hoops with different shapes and sizes, and that's what I forgot to bring with me. I'm actually in Philly right now. I came out here for a conference, which was amazing, and I figured why not bring my jewelry as well and do a little video while I'm here and I have the time. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have laid out. This is just a few of the items. Again, I forgot to bring my gold earrings, and I have one of the new bracelets on. I have a variety of them, but I only brought one because it's kind of the same style. It's just different writing on it, so you'll see that soon. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have. Okay, take my camera. So let me move my phone and stuff. So I used to have our beaded earrings already sold out, so I got 2 new ones in pretty much the same color tone but completely different styles. So I had red ones and I had green ones before. Those sold out so well that I was just like, these are amazing. And these are my new favorite earrings. These are my absolute favorite. Like these iridescent ones, these are totally my favorite. And then the red, I also have green, which I don't have here. I must have left it home too. I need to get it together. I just need to get it together. Anyways, and then I have some more kind of crystallized earrings, and this is just a smaller version. And then these I've completely loved. They're so lightweight. These are a little bit heavier. They're really statement pieces, so these should be worn when you want to pop out. And then lastly, I have some pins here. I have more words, which I purposely left at home. I was just I just need to shoot these, and then you guys will see more variety on the site. But I have the bigger version. It says tribe, and I have another one. I forgot what it says. This one says boss, and I think I have another one at home that says love. And then we have the star, and this one comes with an additional clip. And these are so pretty much on trend right now. They came back around with a little spin on it, and I absolutely love it. So those are a few items. So those are a few new items that I have, and I'm excited about them. I'm really excited about the pins, and I'm really excited about the iridescent earrings. I feel those two are gonna do really well. I feel you ladies are gonna love them. One of my friends already bought 2 pairs. I think she bought the blue and the iridescent ones, and those are actually my absolute 2 favorites. I'm not gonna lie, I love them all, and I actually love red. I love red for clothing. It's not my favorite color. It's my favorite color when it comes to fashion. So red is one of my favorite colors when it comes to fashion. And I love these red earrings too, but the iridescent and the blue are just and I'm not really a fan of wearing blue, which is crazy. So it's kind of crazy how I'm veering towards that one, but they're so cute. So I don't want to run out this video. That will be dropping very soon. You'll probably see this video maybe a day or 2 before or after I post. So maybe, because as soon as I come back from Philly, I want to take photos of all of these and then post it. Usually I like to take photos of me on my site. That wasn't the initial goal. I wanted to get a model, but anyways, I'm taking pictures of me, but that's a little expensive. So what I know I need to do is learn how to take pictures on my own, whether it's with my iPhone or getting a new camera. This is a vlogging camera, which I barely use, but I'm gonna have to figure it out because I still want the quality to be the same as the professional photos that I have. But I also don't want to be spending my money on getting my makeup done, taking photos. So those are two things that's on the top of my list to learn this year, is really learn how to do my makeup. And then one of my shoots I did my own makeup, but you can see the difference between how when I do my makeup and someone else does my makeup. And then secondly is photography. So bear with me as I learn these skills, because paying people is great. It's I'm all about supporting, you know, other people and what they're doing, and I just need to save a coin. So I'm gonna be learning this myself and trying to figure it out. But for these, I think I'm just going to take photos of the actual items, try to make like a cute layout, and just take some flicks on my phone, and we'll see how that works out. I have a few already up on my site that's strictly from my phone, and it's just like items laid out, and those came out pretty well. So I'm just gonna continue doing that. And then also I forgot to show you guys the new bracelet. It says this one says you are enough. This one is mine. Oh, you can't really see, you know. If I show you this way, it's upside down. That's why I was turning my wrist around. I need this to focus. It's focusing on me and not the bracelet. Now it's focusing on the background. Anyway, it's like a simple gold. No, this is gonna frustrate me that I can't show you guys. Let me take it off. So the link chain is actually on the site too. Those are still available. Let me see if it'll show now. No, I want this to show. It's so cute. You'll see it on the site since I can't get it to show like right here. This says you are enough, and there we go. You are enough. And this one is mine. I feel like we're not gonna go into that. Anyways, is something that I need to see every single day. So yes. And then also the link is also, the gold link is also available on the site. And all of my jewelry is extremely affordable. Like extremely affordable. I don't think I priced anything over $25. Everything is, I don't want you guys here at 25 and think things are pretty much just in the 20s. It's even less than that, and I don't even think 20 is bad, especially for a statement piece. But check out my site, truthny.com. I hope you like it. Share it around. Write a comment if you like any of these earrings, which one is your favorite one. And yes, support. This is something that's new to me, and I'm loving it, and I'm loving working through it. And I know there are things that I want to continue doing and things that I need to like learn. So this is a great journey for me, and I hope that you guys stay along the ride with me. So yes, I'm gonna wrap this video. It's 9 minutes. It doesn't even need to be 9 minutes. It's supposed to be like a 5-minute video. But thank you for watching. Again, subscribe, like, comment, share, ask any questions. Tell me which one is your favorite. That's really what I want to know. Tell me which earring is your favorite. And yes,